Zotero makes citations easy. Let's talk about how. Zotero is a free open-source reference management software that helps you collect, organize, and cite your sources. It's a simple and efficient way to create citations and references in various citation styles, including APA, MLA, Chicago, IEEE, and more. Creating citations and bibliographies with Zotero is easy. You can use the copy and paste method or the word processor plugin method. To make a citation, you can select the source from your Zotero library, click Edit from the Zotero toolbar, and copy citation. Zotero will create the citation for you in the format you've selected from your preferences. You can then copy and paste it into your document. Zotero can also generate a bibliography for you. To do this, select the sources you want to include, right-click, then click Create a Bibliography from these items, and choose a citation style that you need. Select Copy to Clipboard, then hit OK. You can then copy and paste it into your document. Zotero also offers plugins for popular word processors like Microsoft Word and Google Docs, which can make it even easier to create in-text citations and bibliographies. Here's how to use Zotero plugins. Download and install the Zotero plugin for your word processor from the Zotero website. Once installed, you should see a Zotero toolbar in your word processor. To put a citation into your document, place your cursor where you want the citation to be, click the Add Edit Citation button on the Zotero toolbar, and search for the source you want to cite. Once you've selected the source, Zotero will insert the citation in the correct format. Once you've inserted all your citations, you can create a bibliography. Just place your cursor where you want the bibliography to be, click Add Edit Bibliography on the Zotero toolbar, and choose the citation style you want. Zotero will generate the bibliography for you, including all the sources you've cited in your document. Those are the two ways that Zotero can help you with your citations. Try them out for yourself. Want to learn more? Check out the Library Workshop page to see when our next Introduction to or Advanced Zotero workshops are being offered.